Imagine creating 700 money-making YouTube shorts without ever pointing a camera at yourself. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I did exactly that. 700 shorts about Amazon KDP, all generated with AI automation. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to share the exact tools I used, the step-by-step workflow for mass-producing shorts, and how you can monetize it to earn real passive income, even if you're a total beginner. Grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to build an AI-powered YouTube Shorts machine of your own. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is a game-changer for creators worldwide. With just a few clicks, anyone can publish books and reach readers in over a dozen countries. No traditional publisher required. KDP pays up to 70% royalties on every sale, and you keep full creative control. Whether you're making low-content books like journals and planners, or niche workbooks and coloring books, there's a hungry audience out there. Some of the most successful KDP creators started with simple ideas, like gratitude journals or daily planners, and scaled to thousands in monthly passive income. For example, Sarah, a teacher, published a series of math workbooks and now earns steady royalties every month. Meet Carlos, a graphic designer from Spain. He published a series of coloring books on KDP and promoted them with creative YouTube shorts. Within 6 months, he built a loyal following and now earns steady passive income each month. Then there's Priya, a stay-at-home mom in India. She started with simple gratitude journals and shared quick tips on YouTube Shorts. Her channel grew rapidly, and her books now reach readers worldwide. And finally, Alex, a college student in the US, used AI tools to create educational workbooks. By posting shorts with study tips and workbook previews, Alex quickly built an audience and now funds his studies with KDP royalties. Tip: use eye-catching book covers. A great cover can double your click-through rate on Amazon and YouTube Shorts. Trick: research trending keywords with free tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy to boost your discoverability. Tip: repurpose your KDP content into multiple shorts by breaking down chapters or sections into bite-sized videos. Trick: schedule your shorts in advance using YouTube Studio to maintain a consistent posting schedule. Now, let's level up with some advanced strategies to maximize your KDP and YouTube Shorts results. First, try A/B testing your book covers and shorts thumbnails. Upload 2 versions and see which one gets more clicks and engagement. Next, use Amazon ads and YouTube analytics to make data-driven decisions. Track which books and videos perform best, then double down on what works. Let's break down exactly how to make YouTube Shorts with AI automation. Start by using AI script generators like ChatGPT or Jasper to quickly create engaging scripts. Next, use AI voiceover tools to generate natural-sounding narration. For visuals, platforms like InVideo AI or Canva can automatically match your script with relevant stock footage and graphics. Finally, use AI-powered editing tools to cut, caption, and export your shorts in minutes. With this workflow, you can produce high-quality videos at scale, even with zero editing experience. Build an email list from your shorts viewers. Add a call to action in your videos and descriptions, offering a free resource in exchange for their email. This way, you own your audience and can promote new books directly. Finally, automate your keyword research with AI tools. Use platforms like ChatGPT or dedicated keyword software to find high-traffic, low-competition keywords for both Amazon and YouTube. Now let's talk about YouTube Shorts. Shorts are YouTube's answer to TikTok, vertical 60-second videos that can go viral overnight. The algorithm loves fresh content and rewards creators with massive reach, even if you're just starting out. For example, channels like KDP Quick Tips have grown from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just a few months by posting daily shorts with actionable advice. One 60-second video can reach tens of thousands of viewers in a single day. The real magic happens when you combine KDP and YouTube Shorts. You're tapping into an evergreen niche with global demand and using a platform designed to push your content to new audiences every day. Pro tip: collaborate with other KDP creators or YouTube Shorts channels in your niche. Cross-promotions and guest appearances can rapidly expand your audience and boost your book sales. Reach out, share value, and grow together. Here's a tip: use Shorts to answer common KDP questions, share quick design hacks, or showcase your latest book. Each video is a chance to build trust, grow your audience, and drive sales on autopilot. The best part? Both platforms reward consistency. The more you publish, the more the algorithm works in your favor. With the right workflow, you can create a sustainable passive income stream, one short video and one book at a time. So if you're ready to reach a global audience, earn real royalties, and build a brand, KDP and YouTube Shorts are the perfect match. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. Tip: use Canva's magic resize to instantly adapt your book covers and Shorts thumbnails to different platforms. This saves time and keeps your branding consistent. Tip: schedule your KDP book launches and Shorts releases around trending events or holidays. This can boost visibility and sales. Tip: use free keyword research tools like Ubersuggest and Answer the Public to find untapped niches for your books and Shorts. Step 1 is research. I open the YouTube search bar, Google Trends, and Answer the Public to find exactly what people were asking about KDP. Topics like how to design low-content books, KDP pricing tips, or best niches this year. Next, I broke those ideas into micro-topics. 700 Shorts might sound huge, but it's simply 70 main topics with 10 angles each. For example, 3 KDP cover mistakes can become 10 different 30-second tips. Finally, I built a content calendar. I created a spreadsheet with columns for topic, hook, script, call to action, and upload date. This kept me organized while scaling to hundreds of videos. For the actual scripts, I used AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude. I'd prompt them with something like, write a 60-second YouTube short script teaching a quick KDP tip. Start with a strong hook and end with a call to action. I batch processed multiple topics at once and then edited lightly for clarity. Short sentences, punchy delivery, and a friendly teacher vibe worked best for me. Next came the voiceovers. I used text-to-speech tools such as 11 Labs, Murph, and even the free CapCut TTS. Pick a natural-sounding voice or clone your own if you prefer. For background music, I pulled from YouTube's free audio library and kept the volume low so the narration stayed clear. For visuals, I mixed stock video and screenshots. Free sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash provided endless footage. I also captured my own KDP dashboard and Canva designs, blurring any personal info. To speed things up, I leaned on AI video generators like InVideo AI and Canva. I dropped in the script and voiceover, chose a template, and let the AI match everything with relevant B-roll automatically. Branding matters too. I added a small logo watermark and stuck to the same fonts and colors so my channel looked professional and recognizable. The secret to producing hundreds of YouTube Shorts efficiently is a streamlined, repeatable workflow. It all starts with batching, grouping similar tasks together to save time and reduce mental load. Pro tip: use keyboard shortcuts and automation scripts in your editing software to speed up repetitive tasks. For example, set up hotkeys for exporting, batch renaming, or applying effects. This can save hours when producing large batches of shorts. I started by mapping out my entire content plan in a master spreadsheet, then broke the process into clear stages: scripting, voiceovers, visuals, editing, and uploading. Batching each stage helped me spot patterns and optimize my workflow. For digital organization, I created a folder structure with main folders for scripts, audio, video, thumbnails, and exports. Inside each, I used subfolders for each batch or topic, and named files with clear conventions like quote KDP _tip_001 script.text quote or quote short _045 final.mp4e. Automation tools were a game changer. I used file renaming apps and batch export features in my editing software to process dozens of videos at once. For example, I could rename all my audio files in seconds, or export multiple shorts with one click. AI automation tools like Zapier, InVideo AI, and batch script generators have revolutionized my workflow. These tools automatically organize files, generate scripts, and even schedule uploads, letting me focus on creativity instead of repetitive tasks. With the right setup, I can produce dozens of shorts in a single afternoon. No manual busy work required. I batch thumbnail creation too, designing templates in Canva, then swapping out titles and images for each video. This kept my branding consistent and saved hours compared to designing from scratch every time. For editing, I relied on templates and keyboard shortcuts. Setting up a reusable project file with placeholders for script, audio, and visuals let me drop in new content and export quickly. I also used time-saving hacks like copying effects and transitions across batches. To handle revisions, I kept a to-edit folder and a simple checklist. If a video needed changes, I moved it to that folder, made notes in my spreadsheet, and batch-edited all revisions together at the end of the week. When it came time to publish, I used YouTube Studio's scheduling tool to upload weeks in advance. I scheduled 4 or 5 shorts per day, letting the channel drip out content over several months while I focused on other projects. This steady release kept my channel active and growing, even when I took breaks. Monetization happens in several layers. First, the YouTube Partner Program. 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days unlock ad revenue. Releasing hundreds of shorts helped me reach those metrics fast. Second, affiliate links. I added links in every description to tools like Canva, book cover design software, and AI apps. Another real-world AI automation example is automated email campaigns. Tools like MailChimp and ConvertKit use AI to segment your audience, personalize messages, and schedule emails for maximum engagement. This means you can nurture leads and drive sales with almost no manual effort. AI also powers social media scheduling tools like Buffer and Hootsuite. These platforms analyze the best times to post, automatically queue your content, and even suggest hashtags or captions based on trending topics. For video creators, AI video editing tools like InVideo and Descript can automatically cut, caption, and enhance your videos. This saves hours of manual editing and lets you focus on creating more content. Third, digital products. I sell my own KDP templates and mini-courses to viewers who want to learn more. Finally, cross-promotion. Each video points people toward my own KDP books and my email list, creating multiple income streams. Here are the big takeaways from making 700 AI-driven shorts. Consistency wins. Uploading daily trains the algorithm to keep recommending your channel. Quality still matters. AI speeds things up, but a human touch, tight editing, engaging hooks makes viewers stay to the end. And finally, iterate. Watch your analytics. If a topic or style spikes in watch time or click-through rate, double down on it. 700 videos might sound crazy, but AI automation makes it possible and fun. If you're ready to start your own YouTube Shorts empire, start small. Create 5 videos this week and see how it feels. Like this video if it helped, drop a comment with the AI tool you're most excited to try. Writers can supercharge their workflow with AI tools like Grammarly for grammar and style, Pseudo-Write for creative inspiration, Jasper for content generation, and ProWriting Aid for in-depth editing. These tools help you write faster, edit smarter, and publish with confidence. And don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes tips on building passive income with AI and Amazon KDP. Before you go, here's a bonus tip for kickstarting your Amazon KDP and YouTube Shorts journey. Focus on a niche you genuinely enjoy. Self-help puzzles children's stories. Passion fuels consistency. Consistency leads to results. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Every big channel best-selling author started with 0 views and 0 sales. Stay persistent. Keep learning. Celebrate every small win. We'd love to hear about your progress. Share your first steps. Share your biggest challenges. Let's cheer each other on. Connect with us on social media daily tips. Kiwanda's community support. Together, we can build something amazing. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to ask for help from the community. Your journey is unique, and your progress matters. One video, one book, one day at a time. You've made it to the end, and that's just the beginning of your story. Remember, the path to success on Amazon, KDP, and YouTube Shorts isn't reserved for a select few. It's open to anyone willing to take the leap, experiment, and keep moving forward. Here's what you can do right now. Set your first small goal. Post your first short, publish your first KDP book, even if it's not perfect. Take that single step today. Join our community encouragement tips support. Share your wins, share your struggles, because you never know who you'll inspire. If this video helped you, please hit the subscribe button, share it with a friend, and connect with us on social media for daily inspiration and resources. Your growth fuels ours, and together we can reach new heights. Thank you for being here, for believing in your creative potential, and for taking action. Remember, every masterpiece starts with a single stroke. Your journey starts now, so go create, share, and shine. We can't wait to see what you build.